The Video Wall feature of CompleteView Enterprise gives users the ability to control what is displayed across multiple screens on separate computers. Here's how it works. In a global security operations center, multiple display screens will be connected to separate computers. Agent software from Salient is loaded onto each computer. This tells CompleteView about the available displays it can control. A CompleteView 2020 desktop client can display a virtual representation of the physical video wall. Dragging and dropping resources like view layouts, individual cameras, and maps cause them to display on the corresponding screens on the separate computers. In this demonstration, we have a 16-monitor video wall where each group of 4 screens is attached to one computer. The video wall agent software is loaded and configured on each of the computers we'll be controlling. We're controlling the entire video wall from a single CompleteView 2020 desktop client. Dragging and dropping views, maps, and individual cameras causes them to display on the corresponding physical screens. Because of dynamic resolution scaling, the displays populate quickly, and video streams use very little bandwidth. Using Video Wall, security operators can control GSOC displays quickly and easily without expensive third-party video wall technology. Mapping in CompleteView provides a powerful way to navigate to cameras of interest based on where they're physically located. Navigating the surveillance system using maps provides camera location and coverage detail that may not be obvious when viewing cameras in a list or in a traditional view layout. Maps can be from satellite mapping services like you see here, or from images uploaded into the system, which may show a building floor plan. Each camera on the map has a field of view cone, representing the camera's coverage area and range. The field of view cones will change color to indicate motion detection, analytics, access control, or other activity associated with the camera. This lets the security system operators know where to focus attention. In fact, if activity occurs on a higher or lower level map, the map link will flash colors, indicating activity on a different map, so you always know where to navigate to find cameras in the system. It's often necessary to track subjects of interest in the security system. However, this can be difficult if cameras are not arranged by their location in a view layout. CompleteView's Maps includes a feature called GeoView, which allows users to easily track people by creating view layouts on the fly of cameras near each other. Once I spot a person I'd like to follow, I can select that camera plus the cameras that surround it. Clicking the View button creates a layout with that camera selection. Once the subject moves off the first camera's field of view, I immediately spot them on the next camera. Because the cameras are already set up on a map, it's easy to identify all the cameras which will be relevant to tracking our subject. Using CompleteView Maps, users can both navigate to cameras intuitively based on camera location relative to the facility being monitored, and track subjects easily using the built-in GeoView functionality. CompleteView 2020 integrates with many third-party systems, such as access control and video analytics. The combined solution creates a powerful tool to better utilize and identify the most relevant video. Here's how it works. When viewing live video, analytics and access control systems provide event alerts to CompleteView. Those alerts trigger visual cues on the corresponding cameras, so the user's attention is directed to the potentially relevant activity happening in the system. Here we see the camera has a yellow activity indicator, both above the live feed as well as on the map. The alarm view in CV2020 uses events for motion detection, analytics, access control, and other systems to focus the user's attention to only the potentially relevant cameras. On this single screen, live video events are displayed, data from the event is presented below the live video, live and recorded video of the event can be displayed to the right, and the map the camera is programmed on displays at the top, which provides the user a single view of all information needed to identify a security incident and direct an appropriate response to the incident location. Many access control and analytics systems provide additional details of an event. This metadata helps investigators identify the video evidence more quickly. The search by list method of investigations provides a great example. This camera has built-in face detection capability. Rather than search all the day's video to find who walked through the hallway, those specific events are clearly called out for faster identification. Text details of the event can also be searched. Under the Search Events screen in Diagnostics, select the day you want to search, then select Camera and Alarm Start. Specify the text keywords in the search box and hit Enter. The list of all the events is filtered to just events matching my keyword search. From this screen, the investigator can review the events and export relevant clips to the video queue. By searching an individual's name, I'm able to see all the doors they accessed in a facility. Clicking the event shows the video, which reveals an unauthorized individual used Keith's credential to access the data center.
I mentioned earlier that we can use edge analytics or motion detection in a particular area to narrow a search, but being a truly open architecture software platform, Salient has also partnered with advanced third-party investigational software that can further refine a search looking for very specific criteria. So in this example, I'm going to click on our playback, go to our synopsis video, and this is showing our integration to BriefCam. So what BriefCam has done here is it's evaluated about 12 hours of the video, and in that 12 hours, we have seen close to 2,600 vehicles pass by our building. Now, the information I have on this particular search is that I'm looking for a car. So I'm going to further refine the search here with the choices that I have to car. Hit apply. And I've reduced that 2,600 count down to around 700, just under 800 cars. So very quickly assessed that I don't need to look at a majority of the video that's available to me. Now I'm going to further refine that search by color. And I can also do this by direction, speed, any of the other criteria that are available within the BriefCam software. And what this has allowed me to do is within a couple of clicks, I've reduced the 2,600 cars that I was potentially looking at viewing down to 23. And from here, I can click on any one of these video clips and do a further investigation to find the exact time and car that I'm looking for. So all of these features within CompleteView should allow you to both enhance and speed up your investigations to effectively save you time and money.